Welcome back, Frac Crew. It's Frac Daddy Barbecue. Guys, today's video, we're finally going to cook our 45-day age Wagyu Ribeye, sponsored by Midland Meat Company. I couldn't have done this cook without John from Midland Meat Company for hooking it up with this awesome beef. Now, guys, you also see me. I'm wearing the Cooking Cop and Babe shirt. Guys, Josh gave me this shirt to do for a video for them, and you know what? I'm dedicating this cook to Josh. Josh has been battling cancer, went through 10 rounds of chemo, and you know what? Since Josh is in California, I wish Josh was here. We could do this cook together, and Josh could have an awesome dry aged Wagyu ribeye that's been aged for 45 days. So let's go inside. We're going to show you how I'm going to trim this pellicle and how I'm going to get this steak ready to possibly have one of the best steaks that I've ever had. Alright, y'all. So as you can see right here, we have this pellicle that's been formed on our steak. First thing we're going to do, I'm definitely not going to use all this fat. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to come, and I'm going to cut it right there. Now, we are not going to be throwing this away. We're going to be saving this for brisket grinds or hamburger grind, stuff like that. So as you can see right here, we have this pellicle. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to trim some of this stuff off, and that's what we have left. As y'all can see, this is everything that we trimmed off of this one steak. Now let me show you how the steak looks. Look at this beautiful steak after it's been trimmed up. Look at the marbling. It is absolutely amazing. Alrighty, y'all, it is time for us to fire up my Weber kettle to do these steaks. Now, I thought, why not? If we're going to do something as fancy as dry aged Wagyu, why not use some Fogo charcoal, which is going to be my very first time that I'm ever using this. I won this in a giveaway on Instagram, so I'm going to give a big shout out to Fogo. Thank you for sending this to me. Now, let's get this charcoal fired up and let's see how good it is. Alright, now that we got our Fogo charcoal ashed over, as you guys can see, I got my fake slow and sear in here, which is just two bricks. We're going to do a 2-zone cooking, so I'm going to come over here, I'm going to add my charcoal.
So, thoughts on it so far?
Well, it seems to be a really good charcoal. I mean, I put quite a bit in there, but as y'all can see, a lot of it kind of burned down to ash already, but we'll see how it cooks for my very first time. So now what we're going to do is we're going to season up this beautiful ribeye. Now I've just got a little bit of oil to use as a binder because this meat's pretty dry. Now y'all know me, I like to keep it pretty simple. Now when you have as good a quality of beef as this, I really want to try all the flavors of this. Show y'all a little magic. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. What do you know? We have Melissa's little filet mignon on the grill cooking already. We're going to take this fat cap right here in, and we're just going to kind of place it as a little protection to this. Dry aged steaks cook a little bit quicker. We're pulling our steaks off because my steak hit the 115 mark. We're going to come back. We're going to let our charcoal get extremely hot. I'm going to add some charcoal, and then we're going to do a hard sear on these steaks. Alright, y'all, that is it for the searing of our steak. Now we're going to take it inside, let it rest for a little bit, and slice into it. Alright, like I said, I want to dedicate this cook to Josh in California. He's been battling cancer. And Josh, if you're watching this video, buddy, I dedicate this cook to you, and I wish you a speedy recovery, and I hope you and Babe can come back down to Texas. And I'm going to save you a steak so we can have together. Alright, y'all, we're going to look at this together. Oh, buddy, look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Nice, beautiful, medium rare. This looks amazing. Look how juicy it is. Now let's take a taste test. Here comes the official taste test. This 45-day dry aged Wagyu from Midland Meat Company. Let's take us a little bite. Oh wow. I would say it's extremely beefy, buttery. You get some nice little nuttiness coming through this. Guys, I tell you what, this is an amazing dry age first timer for me. And I tell you what, I'm going to be doing these from now on. It may take a while, but guess what? It is well worth it. So this is going to wrap up our video. We're going to sit down, we're going to enjoy this dinner, and I just want to say, guys, please remember, smash that thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. We're going to be leaving a link to every single thing that we use in this video. The steakAger, Midland Meat Company. So please go check them out. And until next time, we'll see you on the next Frac Daddy Barbecue.